Hi everybody, it's Jules from Simple Body, and I'm going to show you today how to make an all-purpose cleaner. This cleaner is specifically great for yoga mats. We get a lot of questions on how to clean yoga mats. So we're going to start by having an empty, roughly an 8-ounce bottle. And all you need is white vinegar, which you can buy at the grocery store, distilled water, and some essential oils. Very, very, very easy to make. We're going to start by adding about 1/4 cup of the distilled water. And you can, that's actually not right. It's vinegar. Vinegar. We're going to start by adding 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Then we're going to blend in our essential oils. And we're going to use tea tree as the antibacterial. And you want to add about 3 drops of tea tree. And then I personally like citrus oils for cleaning. They're antibacterial, antimicrobial, and they smell fantastic. When you're marching around on your yoga mat in your bare feet, just saying, it probably doesn't smell all that great. You're going to use 3 drops of orange. I like orange sweet essential oil. It has a really nice citrus burst to it. And then I like lemon essential oil. It kind of cuts through the orange a little bit. 3 drops of lemon. And then there's lots of choices for grapefruit, but I like the white grapefruit. It also helps mask the vinegar smell a little bit. So 3 drops of white grapefruit. And you don't have to be that precise about it. We're not making anything crazy here. You can just make sure your oils are blended in with your vinegar and then add your distilled water. Now you do want to test, different areas. If you're going to use this outside of a yoga mat, don't use it on wood surfaces, but make sure to do a patch test somewhere if you're going to use it on a surface like marble or, something different like that. Just make sure it agrees with that furniture piece. Otherwise, this is a great all-purpose cleaner. I use it to clean my bathrooms, my kitchen, pretty much my entire house. And think about how affordable this cleaner is versus a lot of the commercial ones that you buy in the store. Very easy to make, very affordable, and smells fantastic. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.